Hello calculus, I just want to cover the syllabus here real quick. Even though you've all had me before, I'm Mr. Lee. Hello. Unlike other classes though, this one's fully online. Though most of you got used to that with the partially online spring semester. My office hours are going to be pretty flexible this semester. If you send me an email, I'll probably respond. It may not be immediately because I could be making videos for this class or another for the next few days. So I will respond though when I can. Calculator policy, again, you can use the calculator just like you could in Cal 2. This class is a lot three-dimensional, so online graphing can actually be helpful for you to visualize what's happening. So if you have like someplace you like to graph equations in a 3D setting, go ahead and use them. It can help you understand what's happening. Now this class is supposed to come with a lab hour just like Cal 2 did. Last summer we spent 3 days in the lab. Instead, what I really want you to do is anytime you have an opportunity to use online graphing to look at something, look at a picture, figure out what's happening, I would encourage you to go ahead and use it. If you have online programs you like to use for modeling things, use them. Homeworks and quizzes. So similarly to how this class set up before, I will give you the homework and then I will have quizzes for you. The difference is these quizzes I'm going to give out 1 a week based on the homeworks, and these will all come from homework problems. What it will be for me is then we talk about the end of the second half of the spring semester that you guys wanted like homework examples. This is how I'm going to do the homework examples. I'm going to use the quizzes to do the homework examples. So basically the homework questions I think that are worthy of having examples, those are probably the ones I'm going to put on the quizzes. If you ask me about them before the quizzes, they're still fair game and I'll still help you with them. You won't know they're going to be on the quizzes until it's time. Tests, I'll probably have 2. Test 1 and test 3 will probably be take home where you have a window to do them, and you can use whatever you want. What I probably will do is on test 2, I will schedule it on a specific day. It'll probably be the end of the 3rd week or beginning of the 4th week, where I will proctor you guys via Zoom for like 2 hours to make sure, or at least get you started, and you'll have only 2 hours to take the test. I want to make sure there's some legitimacy to it. Your grades will be similarly broken down, 15% quizzes, or maybe 10% quizzes, 65% your main tests, and 25% your final, and I'll still drop an exam, but not the final. Cheating, don't do it. If you have a disability, contact the disability office and they'll send me your paperwork. Something that maybe doesn't apply to you, but I'm doing with my online classes. Normally, if you're in an online math class, you have to go take your tests in a testing center somewhere. That may not be the case for you guys because the testing center isn't open. But what they do at the testing center is they make you show a photo ID to show that you are who you say you are. So in lieu of that, I will have you guys send me a picture of your face holding a photo ID with your name and picture on it. You might think this is redundant because I know who all of you are and what you all look like, but just the same, you might as well do it because it may happen in more classes than this one, depending on what's going on in the fall, because nobody really knows at this point. And lastly, I'll be posting 5 to 10 minute clips of things on YouTube for the class, just like I did in the spring. There's a link in Canvas to the YouTube. Just go ahead and find your playlist. There'll be a new one for this one, 2415. So I won't be attaching them to the end of the 2414 ones. They'll just be a new playlist entirely. And you can look for the videos there. I look forward to this 5-week burst working with you guys, and we will do more. I'll upload probably our first lesson today.